morning students. Now I would like to discuss about voltage control. This is the 6th unit of your EDS syllabus. So in this syllabus we will discuss about equipment for voltage control, effect of series capacitors, effect of AVB or AVR, that is automatic voltage booster or automatic, it is also called as automatic voltage regulator, line drop compensation, and we will also do the problems on the above concepts. This is the topics which you have included in the voltage control syllabus. So before going to explanation of voltage control devices, these are all coming under voltage control devices. Equipment for voltage control means effect of series capacitors, because when we add the series capacitor in the transmission line or shunt capacitance at the end, receiving end, and AVB or AVR at the generator side, and line drop compensation. Line drop compensation equipment is the one of the very much important concept. We will learn learn in further videos, coming videos. So these are the especially we will briefly discuss about the each and every equipment which is used to control the voltage. Okay, so before going explanation of each and every equipment in the voltage control, first of all we would like to know why do we control the voltage. Why do we control the voltage? Okay, we need equipment for voltage control, that is good for voltage control, but why, in what and what point of view we need the voltage control. Okay, so voltage control, actually we know our apparatus, all our domestic apparatus, whatever apparatus which is used in the field applications and domestic applications, commercial applications, which is having the rated voltage value. So appliances is having the rated, equipment is having the rated voltage value. These equipments are operating under these rated voltages. Okay, so for example, domestic load, we are having the 230 volts is the our rated voltage. Okay, what is the permissible voltage drop here? Our electricity standards, permissible voltage drop is nearly 6% or some 5% permissible voltage drop. So for example, you consider 6% voltage drop, that means 230 into 0.06, 6% means 6 by 100, 0.06, that is nearly 11 volts, 11 volts. So 12 volts for example, similarly 12 volts. So 230 volts minus 12 volts, so that is 220 to 18 volts is the drop, the voltage drop. Rise in voltage 230 plus 12 volts, that is 242 volts. So our permissible voltage drop is between nearly 218 to 242 volts. So apart from rise or drop, voltage drop or rise beyond these values, our equipment is in damage. Because for example, you consider over voltage, that is we are having source, from the source we are having 250 volts. What happened in the appliance, in the domestic residential or domestic or residential appliances definitely get damaged, because we are having excessive current. Okay, excessive current is flowing through the equipment, then your equipment will be damaged. That means voltage stresses are very high, so your equipment will be damaged. For example, you can have that voltage under the less than the 218 volts, that is for example 200 volts. That is under voltage control. Your appliance performance is not much satisfaction, because for example light తీసుకోండి, ఫ్యాన్ తీసుకోండి, ఏమవుతాయి స్లోగా అవుతాయి. అవునా. సో స్లోగా రొటేట్ అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అయితే అదే లైట్ అయితే డిమ్గా ఉంటుంది అవునా. ఇలాంటివి అన్నీ కూడా ఎలా వస్తాయి, లో వోల్టేజ్ మనం అంటాం కదా, లో వోల్టేజ్ ఉంది అందుకని ఇలాగా సరిగ్గా మనకి ఫ్యాన్ అయితే రొటేట్ అవ్వట్లేదు అని. బట్ అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం దేర్ ఇస్ ఏ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్. ఆ లో వోల్టేజ్ ఎక్కువసేపు కంటిన్యూ అవుతే ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్సెసివ్ కరెంట్ ఈస్ డ్రాన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అప్లియన్స్. అప్పుడేమవుతుంది, మీకు ఎప్పుడైతే అప్లయన్స్ నుంచి కరెంట్ ఎక్కువ డ్రా చేయడం స్టార్ట్ అయ్యిందో డెఫినెట్గా అక్కడ ఇన్సులేషన్ అనేది, ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఉన్న ఇన్సులేషన్ అనేది డెఫినెట్గా డ్యామేజ్ అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దెన్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డ్యామేజ్డ్ ఫైనల్లీ. Okay, so we should not operate our equipment under no load under low voltage condition as well as high voltage condition. That's why we need voltage control for any appliances, either in field application, either in domestic application. Okay, so this is that's why we need the voltage control equipment to control the voltage. I think you all understood. Okay, so generally our electrical department has given the permissible voltage permissible tolerance is plus or minus 6%. So this the voltage drop is also bearable. For example, మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అయినా కొన్నా సరే దాని మీద టాలరెన్స్ ఉండొచ్చు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 6 volts అని. సో అంటే అంతవరకు అది అడ్జస్ట్ అవ్వగలదు. అంతకన్నా అయితే బియాండ్ దట్ వాల్యూ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ మే గెట్ డ్యామేజ్డ్. అలాగే తక్కువైనా ఇట్ మే గెట్ ప్రాబ్లం. So that's why we will go to the voltage control concept for controlling the over voltages and as well as low voltage control. Okay, so in next video I will explain different types of voltage control equipment. Thank you.